Hi, I'm Sam, and welcome to the SRA Lab. Today we're going to be removing an IC chip from a defective circuit board using SMD removal alloy. There are only a few tools needed for this job. First off, you'll need a soldering iron. Any standard one will do. Next, you'll need a pair of tweezers for picking up the chip. And of course, SMD removal alloy. Also, make sure to have some isopropyl alcohol wipes handy to clean up any residual flux. I also recommend protective safety glasses and gloves. Now that we have all our tools, let's begin. First, you'll want to preheat the soldering iron. I like to set it to roughly 350 degrees Celsius or 662 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step is to apply a liberal amount of tachyflux on all the leads. Be sure to get even coverage throughout. Now let's add the removal alloy. You'll want to do this by heating up the pins and then adding the alloy evenly across them. Finally, reheat the alloy on all pins and remove the chip. Well, there you have it. How to remove an SMD component using removal alloy. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And for more information on the products used in this video, please see the description. Thanks for watching.